Today we're unboxing the Eureka Mignon Specialita grinder. It's the grinder that we recommend to go with your Profitec GO espresso machine when you buy it from Barista Co. When you're starting to get into espresso, you'll find out that the grinder is just as important as your coffee machine, and we think this is the perfect machine to get started. So let's get going. So as you can see, unboxing is a pretty simple process. You've got the grinder unit itself, you've got the coffee hopper, the portafilter attachment, and of course your user manual, which is going to be really useful with all the key instructions for the grinder. One thing to note as well with your portafilter attachment is you'll see that there's a small screw on it, and this allows you to adjust the height once you've fitted it. So we'll put it all together now. So first things first, let's put the portafilter attachment in place. There we go. Then you've got your coffee hopper. It's approximately a 500 gram capacity hopper, and you simply put it straight onto the top of the unit. You can't get it wrong because the way it's designed, so that when you look at the product, you'll notice that the shut off for the coffee beans will be on the right hand side as you look at, but it's impossible to put it in incorrectly. You also have a small screw that's on the back of the unit, so once you've put the hopper into place, take a Phillips screwdriver and you just want to gently turn the screw to hold the hopper in place. And that's it then. Done.